Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about this radio, Retevis NR30D. This is a digital DMR radio, works from 400 to 480 MHz, maximum transmission power around 10 watts. On top of the radio in the box you can find the user manual in several languages. The radio itself, the radio made of the ABS plastic. It's really tough plastic, solid body. In the box you can find the antenna with the SMA male connector. You can see this antenna is a monoband antenna. It works close to the PMR band, 446 MHz, around this frequency. On top of the radio, the power switch with the volume control,
18, 19,
additional knob for switching the channels and frequencies.
26.
The screen is green. The speaker, the microphone. On the left side, the PTT button and two functionality buttons. On the right side you can find the port for data cable and for microphone and speaker. The port is dust-proof and waterproof. Let's connect this radio to the PC. Before connection you should unscrew this cover and connect this type of the data cable. Press start and wait. Don't forget to turn on the radio before pressing this read button. Success. Let's see the device information. Next, settings, general settings, radio names, Quelch, power safe, voltage, mic gain, voice announcement on Chinese or in English. Button settings, you can assign some functionality to the buttons which are under the PTT button. I see a lot of functionality you can assign to these buttons. Zones, we can see 64 channels, channel parameters. Every channel you can just select analog mode or digital mode when you select analog mode. Additional window is available. Codes, emergency system, bandwidth, scrambler. When you use the digital mode, this window is available. Color codes, repeater slots, emergency system, contact name, group list, encryption, basic encryption, advanced encryption. If you go to the privacy, you can see the basic encryption and advanced encryption. AES 256 is available. DMR settings, contacts, X group list, text messages, emergency system, and scan lists. On the opposite side you can find the USB-C port for charging. When the battery is charging, the lamp is red. When the battery is charged, the lamp is green. The battery has 28 milliamps and DC 7.4 volts. In the previous video, actually, you can see my review about this radio. Let's see, the radio NR630S. Let's check the compatibility of the battery. Yeah, it's
26.
the same battery on two different models. Radios That's really nice. You can change the battery from one to another.
20.
In the box you can find the desktop charger. Let's connect the USB-C. You can charge the radio like this on the desktop. Belt clip attached to the body of the radio, not the battery. USB-C cable. Let's test the speaker of this radio.
Testing, testing, analog mode, testing, testing, audio, Retevis NR30D, speaker test. Currently I'm talking to the Retevis NR30D testing, audio.
Let's test the microphone of this radio. Currently I'm going to receive on the Retevis NR30D model of the radio.
Testing, microphone test, radio Retevis NR30D, testing, microphone, audio.
Let's measure the maximum transmission power, minimum transmission power and medium transmission power of the radio. 446 MHz I programmed to the second channel. Low power 0.4 watts. Medium power 4.6 watts. And high power on 446 MHz around 8 watts, 8.2, 8.3. Let's select the first channel. On the first channel I have the frequency 433.5 MHz. Low power on this frequency 0.6 watt. Medium power 5.7 watts. And high power around 10 watts. 9.6, 9.7 watts. Let's measure harmonics. Right here you can see the main signal and the second harmonic. Let's disassemble this radio. I previously did the same for Retevis 630S. I think the radio is the same. Probably you don't need to unscrew this one and detach these knobs, and just need to slide the battery and unscrew these bolts and detach this aluminum cover. Let's open and see this rubber. Probably IP67 exists. Inside the radio you can see the Octus model AM6106. Let's zoom and see closely the main board.
Digital DMR mode, testing, audio, Retevis NR30D, testing, audio, digital mode. Testing, microphone of the radio Retevis NR30D, testing, audio, microphone, testing, audio.
Finally, I think this radio is pretty good, because this radio has DMR functionality. This is digital radio. AES 256 is applicable for this radio. USB-C port for charging, powerful battery, and IP67. And actually this radio has really 10 watts maximum transmission power. Thank you for watching my videos. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.